Here's a project in the neighborhood of Misty Oaks. We were contracted by a company, the Master Suite, to complete a renovation on a residential property. The owner provided us with the design that would be implemented for this home. This was a fun and simple project for us. Our client purchased this home in April, and we began work the week they closed on the property. Before we could begin any real renovation, we had to clean out the home. We believe this may have been an estate sale. The home had old furniture, records, TVs, and book left all over the house. It was a tad bit messy, but this home used to have quite a bit of character at one point. It was noticeable by the yard that the previous homeowner really took care of this place.
Must be in the attic.
Which is okay. He would pull the attic down. All that mess.
Look at that.
After we began cleaning out the home, we were able to really view the work ahead of us.
It's already cleaner than when we first bought it, though. I'm not going up there.
The first thing we did was complete all the demo within the home. This included the wall in the kitchen where the header was added, the bathrooms, and the pergola. Once everything was open, we removed all the carpet from within the house, replaced the duct system, and began to update the bathrooms.
Put new rafters on.
The design part was next. This is always the more fun part of the work, and also takes the longest. Our designer put together a soft, warm, and simple color scheme for the project. We opted out of the white wall, tuxedo-colored palette that we have seen in recent years. Instead, we chose to embrace more of the brown. I know some people believe the palette color is a bit archaic. However, the model elements within the home mitigated whatever old feel the home may have had. Finally, we have a complete and lovely home. There were a few other updates that were done with this home that you wouldn't see. For example, the duct for the HVAC system was completed redone. We also had some additional insulation within the attic. and minor updates regarding plumbing. For the most part, this home only needed cosmetic updates. However, we like to deliver a reliable product as well as an aesthetically pleasing product, so we made a few MEP-type updates to ensure this is a home that can be enjoyed for years to come.